Hey everyone, welcome back. We have a major development to discuss today. Elon Musk is stepping away from his role in a high-profile government initiative. That's right, the same tech mogul behind Tesla and SpaceX has been leading a bold government reform project. But now that he's leaving, a big question looms. What impact will this have on government services, particularly Social Security? Musk's role in government efficiency. Earlier this year, Musk was brought in to lead the Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, a task force focused on reducing federal spending. It operated more like a tech startup than a traditional government agency, aiming to modernize outdated systems and cut costs. The goal? Save the government an enormous amount of money. Some estimates say up to $1 trillion. During his tenure, drastic measures were taken. Government contracts were canceled, jobs were reduced, and programs were shut down. One of the most controversial moves was shutting down an $830 million online survey conducted by the Parks Department, which Musk's team deemed unnecessary. While some praised these cuts as necessary for reducing waste, others feared the loss of critical data for future policies. The Social Security controversy, one of DOGE's most aggressive targets, was the Social Security Administration, SSA. They claim that billions of dollars were being lost due to inefficiencies and fraud, like payments going to deceased individuals or duplicate claims. While this sounded alarming, official reports suggested otherwise. The SSA's own Inspector General found that improper payments accounted for less than 1% of total payouts, mostly due to system delays rather than fraud. Despite this, Musk's reforms led to massive staff reductions, which overwhelmed Social Security offices. The website faced repeated crashes, wait times for assistance skyrocketed, and people seeking benefits struggled to get help. For seniors and disabled individuals, these disruptions made an already complex system even harder to navigate. Broader impact on federal programs. Beyond Social Security, Musk's reforms affected several federal programs. The Department of Veterans Affairs, VA, saw funding cuts, which led to a reduction in available services for former military personnel. Medicare processing times also slowed down, leaving many elderly individuals uncertain about their health care coverage. Additionally, federal housing programs were restructured, causing confusion about eligibility and access to aid. These widespread changes sparked protests from advocacy groups, arguing that the focus on efficiency was undermining essential services. Critics pointed out that while reducing waste is a valid goal, reforms should not disproportionately affect vulnerable populations. What happens now? With Musk stepping down, reactions are mixed. Some are relieved, hoping that services will return to normal. Others worry that the damage is irreversible. Thousands of government employees were let go, and courts are now stepping in, with some judges blocking DOGE's access to certain Social Security records due to privacy concerns. There were some modernization efforts under Musk, like digitizing retirement records, but many argue the changes happened too fast, causing more harm than good. Efficiency is important, but when reforms prevent vulnerable people from getting the assistance they rely on, it raises serious concerns. Future of government efficiency initiatives. While Musk may be stepping away, the idea of government reform is far from over. Lawmakers are now debating whether DOGE should continue or be replaced by a more balanced approach to efficiency. Some propose creating bipartisan oversight committees to ensure that cost-cutting measures do not harm essential services. Meanwhile, technology experts are exploring the potential of AI and automation to streamline government processes without mass layoffs. Could artificial intelligence help detect fraud without reducing staff? Could blockchain technology improve transparency in Social Security payments? These discussions are gaining traction in the wake of Musk's departure. Looking ahead. What should you do? If you currently receive Social Security benefits, it's a good time to double-check your records and stay updated on policy changes. If you've experienced delays or disruptions, you're not alone. Many people across the country have been affected. For those planning retirement, this serves as a reminder that while Social Security is essential, having additional savings or retirement funds can help provide financial stability in times of uncertainty. Beyond Social Security, other federal services like Medicare, Veterans Affairs, and housing assistance were also being reviewed under DOGE. Changes in these areas may lead to longer wait times and shifts in eligibility requirements, so staying informed is crucial. Additionally, consider reaching out to your representatives and staying engaged with government policy changes. Public feedback plays a crucial role in shaping future decisions. If enough people voice concerns, lawmakers may prioritize restoring affected services or introducing better solutions. Final thoughts: government efficiency is a worthy goal, but reforms must be balanced with the needs of the people who rely on these programs. Cost-cutting shouldn't come at the expense of essential services. While Musk's approach was aggressive and unconventional, his exit leaves room for a reassessment of how efficiency can be achieved without widespread disruption. What do you think? Have you noticed any changes in Social Security services recently? Should the government be run more like a business, or does that risk ignoring the human impact? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this discussion valuable, share it with others who might be affected. Let's stay informed and make smart decisions together. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, take care.